guys, welcome to my channel, and you can see we're already in the profit. That was good trend. How much we invest? 72, then 35, around the 35 and over. That should be my target. And I'll just do a screenshot. 40, 44, 47, big, 47, 66%, perfect. And now just quick expansion because that was very quick. Okay, then basically you just see how we make 66%. I invest 72 grand, we make over 40 grand from that, perfect. Now is market going down? We'll see next 50 minutes. That's another one, but I'm not making any more trades for now. Today I just want to quick explain why I think the IQ option forex one, not forex one, sorry, FX option, na przykład for example Euro USD is the best one for the scalpers. The main thing is, like, if you're scalping on the forex market, you can just make it between 5-10%. That means between 20-40 pips during the day, and that's most of the people target and the profit. On the FX market, you can make the same amount or even much more in shorter time. That's why I think is the best one for the scalpers, because for every movement, for example like today from 6:15 on the 50-minute chart, you can see you have one movement in here, that's one trend. You wait patient, waiting for another movement like this one, when I just make over 66%. I could make more probably. If you can see it's still going, I take out somewhere in here, but if I wait, probably I'll be about a double now. Then how much you can make it between the forex? 5-10% from your total investment. For example, you invest 100,000, you just make 10 grand during the full day. It's not bad, but still first you need to go and have this 100 grand to invest. On the FX market, you can start it from £30 minimum and slowly build up, which is good, because on this one, that's the reason which one is such a payout on this one, because instead of making 5-10%, you can make nearly double, like, or triple if you want, if you're very greedy on this one. And sorry, but that's true. I'm making only 50% every day, and that's more than enough for me, because like one trend was in here 6 o'clock, you wait impatiently, you make another one on this movement now, where on which I've made. Maybe later in 2-3 hours will be another movement little down, which one that will give you another profit, or massive drop down. That still you have couple of sorry movements during the day when can give you a massive payout. And in here you can still strike, for example, even ask and bid. On my previous video you can see that ask and bid sometimes they are quite high. Then like on this moment you don't want to start making profit on this level in here, because you need to wait. You have only 1 hour to wait for that. Then basically you can always master yourself. Then for example you want to start from this level, which you can see ask and bid is quite smaller to the price, and basically you can see how only few pips if you drop down a few more pips, I can make another 50%. Then it's very good for the scalpers, and if you wanna get money quick, it's good. But before you start and make any money, practice your technique as a scalper. If you have tested already, that's brilliant. If you are a new person which I just want to make a money, first you need to know about what's the candlesticks, what's the lines, what's your technique. You need to master the technique, that's the most important. Have some kind of money management, because without the money management and these things what I talk tell you just now. You'll be not successful trader, not successful scalper. You will lose all your money on if you trade on FX option or forex or any other market. Then first, trading, IQ option, like we can see, have free demo account which can give you a massive opportunity to just practice your technique before you master. If you master, that's brilliant. Remember only about these prices in here, then you can always stock top. For example, like here, if we drop down in next 15-20 minutes, 49 minutes to this level, for example this one, then I will get payout about the 70%. I just make 66 now in just few minutes on this one movement. Then how much you can make for full day if you want to patiently wait. Stay tuned, see you later.